Lampion Elementary is just entering their second week of distance learning. The whole school was sent home. Now, not every student has to quarantine, just people that are considered a close contact case. And we've already seen a lot of situations like that around the valley.
At the end of the day, how do you quarantine a 5-year-old? How do you isolate a 5-year-old?
Of the 350 plus positive cases in the Clark County School District this month, many more students have been sent home to quarantine, including Tracy Jasper's daughter in kindergarten at Rowe Elementary.
So we received a text message, we received email, we received a phone call. School let us know that we had to get her tested. After we got her tested, she could come back, but without knowing what the results are.
It's not like you have to lock the child up in their room and, pass them their meals through the door. They can live within the household in a normal way. Parents just need to be on the lookout for signs of illness.
Pediatric infectious disease Dr. David Dijon says if your child's sent home to quarantine, it doesn't mean you have to.
Unless they themselves are displaying signs of illness.
Is that situation different at all if they're vaccinated versus not vaccinated?
I would say the short answer to that is no. Whether or not you're vaccinated and you're exposed, you probably should go through a period of quarantine and consider retesting.
It usually takes between 4 to 5 days to become contagious. So according to Dijon, that's the appropriate time to get your child tested after they're in contact with someone that's COVID positive. He says the mask mandate in class should significantly lower the chances of classroom outbreaks, too.
We want to try to prevent, rampant transmission, but we really want to get our kids back to school. And so there are downsides to, sending an entire school home for long periods of time.
Here at Lampion Elementary School, the health district offered free COVID testing last week for all students and staff. Everyone will continue distance learning through this week, and then the school will return back in person next Monday. Reporting live, I'm Drew Andre, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.